Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J, the alphabets of J, and use red color. J for Joker. K for King. L for Lion. M for Moon. N for Nose. O for Octopus. P for Parrot. Q for Queen. It's now you draw R, the alphabets of R, and use yellow color. R for Rose. S for Sun. T for Teacher. U for Umbrella. V for Vine. W for Whale. X for Xylophone. Y for Yo-Yo. And Z for Zebra. It's now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last we draw 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel.